Hello everyone, we have some great news. Apple has just rolled out iOS 14.0.1 and this is absolutely an update that you should definitely install if you have already upgraded to iOS 14, also for those who haven't installed because they are waiting for bugs to be sniffed out. Moreover, if you installed and now you wanna downgrade, but how? Don't worry, in this video I am going to tell you how you can downgrade, upgrade and some important tips and tricks for the iOS 14 you should know before upgrading your iOS. So now let's go ahead. But before we get started, you need to install this Wondershare Dr.Fone worry-free iOS and I will provide you link in description. iOS 14 is probably waiting to download on your phone. Right now, there are few features why you should download immediately. First up is the app new widgets. New widgets for you to get more informations. Choose from different sizes and arrange you like. New app library. The app library fixes that organize all your apps into the rightmost home screen and it organizes them into smart folders by category and surfaces the right ones. Moreover, there are new messages, privacy and setting, new maps, HomeKit, Siri, and new Safari. The most common iOS 14 problems are related to its update, while the public update is capable with all leading iOS devices. But still users are facing issues with it. To properly implement the update, you need to follow a few steps. A full backup of your iOS device is extremely important before iOS 14 update. Data loss happens a lot during and after people update to new iOS version every year. So do remember to take backup your iPhone or iPad before you do anything. Whenever anything unexpected happens, we are therefore able to restore our data easily from the iOS backups. Here are 3 ways to backup your iPhone or iPad easily. First one is a backup iDevice with Dr.Fone. Second, backup iDevice to iCloud. And last one is a backup iDevice with iTunes. When you update your iOS device wirelessly, you might see a message as there is not enough available storage to download iOS 14. The new iOS 14 update installer is around 2 GB. Your iPhone or iPad also requires 1.5 or 2 GB additional free storage to install the iOS 14 update. So to update iOS 14 smoothly, you need at least 4 to 5 GB free space on your iPhone or iPad. When the iOS 14 update comes out, your iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch will receive the update notice. Generally, there are 2 methods to install, over the air and iTunes. You can choose either method to update based on your actual situations. Update to iOS 14 in just one click with Dr.Fone System Repair Tool. For that, you need to visit Dr.Fone worry-free iOS update page. From the down below, you find the option to vote and chance to win new iPhone 12. You get 40% off on update insurance in case if your software update failed or stuck on verifying iOS update or update not appearing in setting and anything goes wrong while update. On 35 USD, you get many options even if you wish to downgrade iOS 14 to previous iOS 13 within 14 days after the iOS version is launched. Dr.Fone System Repair Tool is all you need to fix most iOS issues without data loss. Easy and simple process. Everyone can fix iOS system with a few clicks. When your iPhone device starts to malfunction, the general fix is an iTunes restore. Great if you have performed a backup and tragic if you don't. This is why Dr.Fone System Repair Tool comes out. It can easily fix any kind of iOS system issues and get your device back to normal. Most importantly, you can handle it by yourself within less than 10 minutes. Dr.Fone System Repair enables you to fix iOS issues in many common scenarios, such as black screen, recovery mode, white screen of death, and more. Outstandingly, Dr.Fone has made this process so easy that anyone can fix iOS without any skills. You can choose standard mode to fix most iOS issues without data loss, while advanced mode is able to fix more serious iOS issues, but it will erase all data on the device. It comes in many plans to choose according to your requirement. or you can buy all modules for iOS devices like data recovery, WhatsApp transfer, etc. in just $100. Comparing to iTunes Restore or other methods that can fix your iOS system issue, using Dr.Fone iOS system recovery tool wouldn't put your data at risk. All you need to do is getting your device connected and move forward with a few clicks. Then everything will get done within few minutes. In most cases, it's able to fix iOS without data loss. I will leave a link in video description for you to download or upgrade or downgrade your iOS 14. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.